friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariane. I am a luxury travel advisor based in Vancouver, Canada. And hello from Florence, Italy, or as the locals call it, Firenze. I am so excited to be showing you what you can do yourself if you are visiting Florence. Some things to do, places to eat, and also some day trips that are really easy to do from here. So let's get right into it. Let's start with some of my favorite things to do right here with this beautiful viewpoint of Florence.
Piazzale Michelangelo offers a beautiful view of Florence and its skyline. There are many gardens around this area, so I do highly suggest coming and checking this place out. If you're looking for a delicious midday pick-me-up, look no further than All Antico Vinaio. These are flatbread pizza sandwiches, which are absolutely delicious. I absolutely love truffles, so I had the one that had the truffle mortadella, stracchino soft cheese, cream of mushrooms, and rocket leaves. I even had them add a little bit more truffle aioli, and it was, again, so good. Really highly suggest coming here, and they now also have a location in Rome.
Grazie mille.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
You're so big.
Around the corner from the entranceway to Palazzo Vecchio and near Via de Gondi and Gucci, you will find a water fountain here. On the left side is gas, so sparkling water, which I love sparkling water, and on the right side is still water. It's a great spot to fill up your water bottles on a hot day. I did try Sophia Loren's restaurant in the center of Florence. While I really enjoyed the coffee and pastries in the morning, I will be honest and say that my dinner was a bit lackluster. The restaurant itself is absolutely beautiful and the service was good, but I just found the pasta to be ordinary, if that makes sense. In the 15th century, the Medici family rose to power in Florence. Here at the Basilica di San Lorenzo, this is actually the church of the Medici family. So, unlike the Duomo, which was actually the poor people's church, the Basilica di San Lorenzo is actually absolutely beautiful on the inside and is not ordinary, unlike the Duomo. The Medici family crest, consisting of 6 oranges, is found prominently throughout Florence. Florence was also the birthplace of Leonardo da Vinci. He was said to have been born at this location on April 15th, 1452. In 1296, construction started on the Gothic-style Florence Cathedral or Duomo di Firenze. This was completed 1436 with a dome engineered by Filippo Brunelleschi. The building near the Duomo, called the Baptistery of St. John, is actually the oldest building in the city, constructed between 1059 and 1128. The baptistry is famous for these beautiful bronze doors by Lorenzo Ghiberti. Michelangelo dubbed these doors the Gates of Paradise. Another great place to explore is the Central Market here in Florence. I loved quite a bit of the food that I ate here, including from pasta fresca. I tried the ravioli with truffles and olive oil with parmesan, and it was absolutely delicious. Everything is made here. You can actually see them making the pasta fresh every day. If you love pizza as much as I do, then just outside the Central Market, you will find l'antica Pizzeria di Michele. Yes, this is actually another location from its original location in Naples, where Julia Roberts ate in Eat, Pray, Love. Now, it's more than just Eat, Pray, Love. The pizza in Naples and here is absolutely amazing. So the pizza really does speak for itself. And the portions were huge. The pizza was literally almost half the size of the table. Also in Florence, do try a wine window. It's actually quite fun to order a glass of wine from a window. If you want to be sure to come back to Florence, be sure to check out the boar fountain at the Mercato del Porcellino. When you rub the snout of the wild boar fountain, it is said that you will one day return to Florence. Florence is the perfect base to explore the Tuscany region. I was able to explore a few destinations by train. First up was Siena. If you do come to Siena by train from Florence, it's really easy to get to the historical center. Just walk into the mall and you will find these escalators that will actually take you up the hill to where the center of Siena starts. At the top of the escalators, it's a short 5-minute walk to Porta Comolia. If you are planning on using the escalators, please keep in mind that there are opening and closing hours as it is attached to a mall. In addition to culinary treasures and amazing wine, Siena is also renowned for some pretty unique arts, including stained glass. So there are some artisans here in Siena that actually do private tours and classes that will actually show and explain how they make some of these works of art. They work on several commissioned pieces from churches to even residential projects. I love finding these unique experiences to enhance my clients' vacations to places like Siena. I'm noticing with a lot of the trips that I've been booking recently that experiential travel has been really popular these days. It's now not so much about bringing home souvenirs, but what you experience and learn along the journey that you take. As a luxury travel advisor, my clients typically receive added benefits when booking vacations, hotel stays, and cruises through me and my team. I'd love to work with you as your travel advisor if you don't already have one. You can contact me using the link in the description box down below or at my website at wanderlustjourney.ca. Next up, I did a day trip from Florence to Lucca. I really enjoyed my time here in Lucca. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't really cooperating, and there was actually a lot closed and under renovations here when I visited in October 2023, and they were also setting up for a comedy event. even though the weather was terrible, I still enjoyed an absolutely incredible meal at Ristorante Trattoria L'Angolio Tondo. This restaurant actually specializes in the slow food movement and also in 0-kilometer food, which means that their menu is seasonal and they support local farmers and producers. Everything I ate came from the region around Lucca, which I felt was amazing. Even the wine I had came from a local winery right outside the city gate in Lucca. It is located in a touristy piazza, however, it was really, really good. And again, I can't say enough, this was probably the best meal I had during my visit to Tuscany and even Florence.
So I really hope you enjoyed my time in Florence. I am now giving you a sneak peek of my upcoming episode. I am on the Holland America New Staten Dam. So I am back just outside of Rome in Civitavecchia. I have just boarded this ship. I am so excited to bring you along as I cruise the Mediterranean for the next 11 days. So thank you again so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this episode featuring Florence and some of the highlights of what you can do and see, and also eat. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as there's always new travel episodes upcoming. So thank you again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!